my final hunters? Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video that I just posted. It's got the buck content of the whole summer and then all the year, this whole year basically of 2025 hunting season. You guys get to see all the bucks I had on camera and my main target buck. And if you want to hear the story, I'll make a video of that. Just comment below if you guys would like to hear the story of the 10 point, and we can go over that. That was my main part target buck. If you guys can pick them out. But the other bucks, those are like great bucks, but I wanted him. Didn't get a chance, didn't get him. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And what can I say? There's going to be more coming. So let's make sure you subscribe and keep on the lookout for all the videos that are coming.